My name is Latrell Crittenden. I'm a visiting assistant professor of media at Lincoln University, the nation's oldest historically black university, which is located about 45 minutes south of Philadelphia and services a large portion of the Philadelphia community. I am also the founder and the director of an organization known as Voices of Philadelphia. What we do is we train citizens on how to do their own media, because we believe, and I personally believe, and this is part of my research as well as a professor, that too often the mainstream media represents African Americans unfairly and in a negative light. We believe that the best way to avoid this particular issue would be to have citizens produce their own news. So what I've done particularly for the last 2 years is work with a group known as Youth Empowerment Services Philadelphia, which is a GED to college program, to train them on how to basically get their own story out, specifically on reasons why they decided to leave school. And we've helped produce 2 documentaries with PhillyCam and Yes Philadelphia, known as Pushouts, which documented these stories. And it's something that I continue to do, and we will actually be looking at a 3rd project forthcoming that will look at issues impacting why there are so many issues with gun violence in the African American community, because this is something that we feel that needs to be addressed, but needs to be addressed outside of the mainstream media. Now, as I tell the students with Yes Philadelphia, and as I tell my students at Lincoln University, there is nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. In addition, what you need to do is have a plan. Once you have a plan and you understand who you are and what you want to do, then you certainly can achieve whatever goals that you strive to do. After all, there will be bumps. For instance, I went into journalism thinking that I could make a difference, and I learned that, well, maybe I should go outside of my realm. Maybe I should go out independently and train people to do it for themselves. So anything that you do, you may find bumps, but that's not a bump, it's a lesson. And you should take every lesson and every step along the way as an opportunity to further grow your potential. Because it doesn't matter how old you are, you will grow the rest of your life. Again, my name is Latrell Crittenden, visiting assistant professor at Lincoln University and director of Voices of Philadelphia.